I'm Aletha with WTI. I didn't know what to do with this blank wall, so I decided to hang picture frames. They come in a set of 4. I love them. They're a really, really pretty distressed silver because I like that distressed look. It really goes with my farmhouse decor. I love them. They are very easy to use. As you can see, I started making my collage on my wall and I think it's going to come out awesome. You can hang them either vertical or horizontal, whichever is your choice. They are really awesome picture frames. I can use them with the matte finish, the white matte finish, or I can take the white matte finish out for a whole total different look. They come with a set of hanging nails. The hanging nails are very easy to use. They're already set for you. They have a little notch to hang the frames. All you have to do is find your place on the wall, hammer it in, and you have a little hook on your wall to hang your frames. It comes with the with a little cloth to clean the glass when you're done. So I love this set so much that I got 3 sets. So I'm going to have 12 frames on my wall set in either horizontal or vertical. As you can see, I love them. This is the distressed silver. They come in a variety of other colors like brown and white. I love them. I highly recommend them. And that is just my point of view.